In this video, we will talk about rebuild tool. So first we will take curve. I switch to top viewport again and then choose curve tool, CV curve tool and build a curve like this and hit enter button. So these are control vertices. By using rebuild tool, you can change the space between these edit points or control vertices. So let's see how this tool works. Go to curve, rebuild tool and second box. So these are couple of options. First, reset these settings. So first option is rebuild type. So commonly used type is uniform. We also use this. Second option is parameter range. Three options are available here: 0 to 1, keep and 0 to span. So what the mean of these spans? Spans basically the space between these 2 points. So between these 2 points, this area is span. Let's open attribute editor and go to curve and choose this tab. So there is first option, minimum to maximum value 0 to 13. So in this spline there are 13 spans. So if I want to choose 0 to 1, so this curve will not like this, it's only a linear line, so we did not choose this option. So we can go with keep. This option will consider the existing span values, and the third option is we can change the span value, and they also change minimum to maximum value. So these are other options. So we will try this. At present span value is 13. We can increase or decrease this. Let's reduce to 10, or we set this option to 0 to span. So now minimum and maximum value will change and the span value also change. I hit apply button and then close. Select again. So the maximum to minimum value is 0 to 10 and the span value is also 10. So by using rebuild tool, you can change control vertices position or increase or decrease values of control vertex. If I increase the span value, so this curvature will get more smoothness, or if I decrease this, it will like a linear curve. And the other option is linear. These are options same as that you can find in creation method of any curve tool, like one linear, two, or cubic. Cubic means smooth curve. So these options are same. You can change also here. And other option is keep original. If you choose this and then apply, so it will create a copy first and then apply the rebuild option. So there are two curves. First is original and second a newly created curve. I hope you understand what the use of rebuild tool.